Good morning, everybody. Today I will try to do something I think will be, try to help others to learn the Tamazight language. That will be in the process of few sessions. Promise you I will do my best so that you know how to write and pronounce Amazigh alphabet. So my my objective is that I will teach you Tamazight. Tamazight is the language spoken in North Africa, Egypt, Libya, so some part of Mauritania, and some sub-Saharan countries. Tamazight, as you see here, is the language Tamazight, and this is you. If you know how to say the word, you already know almost 8 or 9 alphabets. Tifinagh. Tifinagh is the alphabet in Tamazight. Tamazight. As you see here, each word goes straight under the other in Latin, so you can remember how you spell them. We say what is the language is Tamazight. The person who lives in the countries where we speak Tamazight is one person is say Amazigh. Amazigh. The plural of Amazigh is Imazighen. Imazighen is the people who lives in the country is called Tamazgha. Tamazgha is the country. So the character we use here, it's Tifinagh. So I will show you how you spell the word Tifinagh. It takes a little bit practice, but I think it will be very good way to learn the language. Tifinagh, and how you write it is like this: T fi nah. T fi nah. This T. I'm gonna start from here. T E. It means I in English. T fi F. I in English. N A. Because English they don't use. That's a part of the Re is the part of the character Tamazight. Is Tifinagh. Don't forget that's F and I. You see, that's if you remember this. If you try to practice with me how to Tifinagh, you already had some extra alphabets here. It's F. It's the new letter here. See here, it's F. It's like H, but we had like horns, like the horns in the four corners. Tifinagh. Tifinagh is the alphabets in Tamazight. The other word I will teach you is a finger. How you say a finger in Tamazight. Finger is a dot. Finger, a dot. A dot, and we spell it like this. It's easy to practice because it only has two characters, A and D. Adad. Adad means in Tamazight one finger. One finger is adad. Say with me again. Adad, the finger. Finger is adad in Tamazight. The other word I will teach you is foot in Tamazight. Foot is a little bit close to finger, but it says adar. Adar. So it is like this. How we spell adar. The feet, you have to be very careful with one thing's here. I will just because I will mention it because I think you will run into this a lot. So R and A is a little bit different in the size. Some people they spell like this with an extra trick here so they can make the difference, but you will see sometimes you have a it's just closed circle like this, and the R will be like just open circle like this. That's to make the difference. Adar. Adar is a foot. One foot is adar. A lot of foots or in plural is idarn. Idarn. Same things for finger. One finger is adad. Plural is idadn. Idadn. Adar, foot. Adad is finger. The other word is, I hope you're enjoying this with me because I'm trying to myself, I just learned this recently, so I'm working hard to, so I can do it. I will see I, how you say I in Tamazight is tit. Tit. And you spell like this, it's tit. So how is tit? So the I is tit. Problem with this is that if you spell the tit like this, it's because the last pronunciation is t, not t, because there are like you enforce the last word tit. So for this to change that, because you have double t's in Tamazight, we don't do that. We might use it sometime, but we have a special letter for it. It's t. Just like e in English plus a single like that. That's tit. Tit. It's the I. Tit. Tit is the I. Is that what is the I in Tamazight? It's tit. Tit, and this is how you spell tit. We don't use double T in the end to enforce the pronunciation. We have a special word. It's t, tit, the I in English. The other word I will teach you is, I have some words here I put together, it's line. Line in Tamazight. Line. What is a line in Tamazight? It's ism. 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 And the way we spell it is just like E Z and M. Ism. See? Ism. Ism is line. Ism. The one thing is good about learning the words like this in Tamazight is that like female, you just add T in the beginning and T in the end. Tizimt. Most all words in Tamazight, you just add the T in the beginning. Most, not all, there are some exceptions, but most of the words you can add the T. Say tizimt. It's the female, and you do the same things here. Tizimt. Tizimt. So we will see most of the the words that change only in just two characters. You add two characters, and then you have the female. Line is ism, and it's like this without the t's. Ism is the line. Lion. Ism. Ism. What is the line in Tamazight? Ism. And the female is tizimt. What else I will teach you is hand. Hand. Hand is afus. afus, and it's like this afus. 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 You see, that's now we have a new word, new letter S. It's a circle with the point in the middle. So we said that R is a little bit big, A is a little bit small, S has the middle, has the point in the middle. Afus, the hand. So if we say if we want to say like the female or the female of afus is tafust, just add the t tafust, afus, tafust, tafust, and afus. So A, F. Normally this is U, and this is S. So we learned so far pretty good number of tifinagh. So we learned how to spell A, we know how to spell F, we know how to spell S, U, D, R. So we'll go to the next one, which is mountain. Mountain, which is in Tamazight. Some people they say Ari, but what is well known is Adrar. Adrar means a mountain. Adrar. See, Adrar, Adrar. I don't know if you can read my handwriting, but I will try again. A D R A R. Adrar. Adrar. So how we spell Adrar in Tamazight, it's pretty easy because we saw all this alphabets before. Can we try together? So A is just small circle or closed circle like this. The D, it's like this, it's small tent. R is bigger circle. And we Adrar, and this closed circle, you can put small circle like this, or you just can put it closed so you can make the difference between R and A. Adrar, and you can add another big. So Adrar. So we know what is A, D, R, A, D. Adrar. Adrar is a mountain in Tamazight. Adrar. Adrar. So it is a mountain. Another word that I will teach you, it's a little bit long, but I think it has a very good value. It's life. Life in Tamazight is tudert. 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 Life is tudert. 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 So tudert, it's C here. I think we already saw this letter. What is it? Yes, it is T. This is what it is. It's U. Tudert. D. This is E. R and T. Tudert. It is life. Tudert. Can you say again? Tudert is life. And from here you can see that we have a T, U, D, E, R, T. Tudert. I think that is this easy way to learn the languages. You start writing words, complete words, then that has more characters in it, and make it easier for you to remember. So if you remember Tamazight, how we spell Tamazight, Tudert, Adrar, hand, Adar, and Tudert, you will be like in pretty good shape for the next session. And I would just see the last word for today, which is house. House.